In the Reminders app, we can use tags as a fast and flexible way to categorize and organize our reminders. We're able to add one or more tags to a reminder, such as hashtag shopping or hashtag work, and then easily search and filter reminders across lists. So let's add a tag to the change water filter reminder. To do so, tap the hashtag button and add tag. I'll enter chores. That adds the tag to the reminder, and at the bottom of the sidebar, a tags section has been added that displays our one tag. Tap on the chores tag here, and any reminder that contains that tag will be displayed. When we tap the hashtag button for another reminder, the chores tag is available on the list, so we can quickly add it to this reminder with a tap. As tags are added to other reminders, our tags list will grow. Tap the All Tags button here to see every reminder that has at least one tag. Double tap on a tag, and only reminders with a different tag or tags are displayed. Tap and hold on a tag here to rename or delete it. Renaming a tag will rename it in every reminder it's included in. As more tags are added, they can be really useful in smart lists. When editing the filters for a smart list, we can select one or multiple specific tags to include in the list. So, tags can be a very powerful and detailed way to organize reminders.